Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali, sorry, Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 27th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love 30 Days Challenge course, you can say Self Love course, you can like check out the description box for the links. Okay, if you feel like you can purchase them and start. Let's start. Virgo, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Justice. This is someone who carry a lot of love for you, and they feel like having a brand new beginning with you, and they feel like doing the right thing in this direction. Now the right thing can do a lot of things for a lot of Virgos. It's not going to be same for every Virgo. Okay, but it depends on a lot of things actually. But this is someone who definitely have a sense of love, a sense of having a brand new beginning, and they feel like they should just do the right thing from their side, whatever that means. Even if there's a lot of love, even if there's a sense of okay, I should have a brand new beginning with Virgo, they feel like they should choose the right thing to do. I'm getting a lot of Justice card today, so everybody is kind of balancing their karma somehow. Every sign. Hmm? There's love, that's definitely there. Maybe there's an age difference as well. The female might be a little older, feminine energy is older. Anyway, so this is someone who feels like there's a lot of love, there's a sense of having something new in this direction, having a brand new beginning, but they feel like they should choose the right thing. They should choose justice over their feelings, whatever this means in this situation, according to whatever is happening or whatever happened between you and this particular person or energy. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Knight of Wands, the Ace of Swords, and the Queen of Wands. Wow. Okay. This is like this person wants to talk to you about multiple aspects, multiple energies, multiple people, multiple scenarios. This person wants to clear the air with you from so many angles that include so many energies, including a lot of people as well. And they definitely want to clear the air with you on so many levels that it's not even funny. They want to very passionately enter into your life and create their own reality with you. But before that, they want to have a clear cut understanding and nothing but the truth on the table. Again, regarding multiple people, multiple energies, and multiple scenarios in the situation between you and them. This is what they want: ultimate clarity and ultimate truth, and nothing but the truth on the table, so that they can manifest exactly the kind of relationship that they were hoping to have with you, based on the truth that they're going to get, that they want out of the situation. This is what they want: ultimate truth and the clarity, so that they can manifest exactly what they want in this direction. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 27th of April, honey. Virgo, let's see. We have the Five of Swords, the Ten of Wands, Seven of Pentacles. Shoot. Feelings wise, they just want to do the right thing, even if they're feeling a lot for you. And intentions wise, they want to clear the air with you. Action wise, they are not going to do shit about it. They are going to stress the hell out of themselves, and they are going to feel like this is so much of pressure, this is so much of burdensome and heavy energy that they're not going to be able to handle. So they will try their best to drop the situation and just wait for the right time. It's like taking a step back from the situation and evaluating the situation from a distance, stressing the hell out of themselves, taking too much pressure on themselves, feeling like this is weighing them down on the to the level of them dropping the situation but not doing shit about it. See, this person is continuously planning in their head, talking to you in their head, but not able to come forward and talk to you in real life because it's too heavy and burdensome for them to connect with you and sort it out with you. They're like, okay, let's wait for some more time, let's take a pause, let's take a break, and maybe in the future I will connect with Virgo and see what can happen or what we can do about it. But not right now. It's a deliberate action of not doing shit about the situation, even if they feel like and even if they want to. They have so many questions. They have so many energies of clearing the air with you. They have so many things going on that they want to clear with you because they still have emotions and they still care, but they're not choosing to do anything about it. For you, the guidance here is the Ten of Pentacles. Surround yourself with the stable and mature and grounded kind of energies that you want in your life, with or without this person. Virgo, the thing here is that you're going through this cycle, this painful cycle from quite a long time now. I'm also tired of reading the same kind of energies now. But this whole situation is kind of actually helping you to go through something so that you can choose, at the end of the day, you can choose the right thing, the right people, the right energies, and choose yourself. Finally, ultimately, becoming your own happiness, becoming your own family, becoming your own stability. But right now, you need help, meaning surround yourself with people, situations, things, and energies that are going to give you a sense of stability and sense of family, sense of brotherhood, you can say, so that you can get out of the situation ultimately and or sort it out ultimately, properly and honestly. This is what I'm getting for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.